guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a hijab tutorial for you guys on this hijab style that I'm wearing right now using the Haute Hijab bamboo woven hijabs. So this is my signature hijab style, you guys. I'm wearing this hijab style every single day, no matter the occasion. This is my hijab style. This is what I'm confident in. This is what I'm comfortable in, and I just love this style. I love how I get the volume that I love, as well as nice coverage in the front. So a lot of you have been requesting me to do a hijab tutorial, and I did do a hijab tutorial in the past using a maxi hijab from Bess McKay, but unfortunately she's not selling hijabs anymore, so I thought, why not do my signature hijab style with a hijab that is available for you guys to purchase if you're interested. So that is pretty much what I did today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I like to create my signature hijab style using a Haute Hijab, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so before I go ahead and jump into the hijab tutorial, I just want to talk about the accessories that you're going to need. So I'm wearing a hijab cap, so you're going to need something underneath your hijab to be able to secure the pins and secure the hijab onto. So I'm just wearing a cotton black one. And in terms of like safety pins, you're going to need like a large size safety pin just like this. You're also going to need like a smaller safety pin as well. And you're also going to need 2 straight pins just like this, and it doesn't matter what color they are because we're going to be pinning them from the inside. Alright you guys, so I have my hijab right here. This hijab is a bamboo woven hijab from Haute Hijab. I did do a review as well as like a haul on this type of a hijab. I tried, I believe, 7 or 8 different hijabs. I can't remember off the top of my head, but if you guys are interested in seeing different colors in this hijab, and if you're interested in knowing what my thoughts are on this fabric, I will have the video linked up here and also down below in the description for you guys to check out. I'll also have this exact hijab that I'm using today linked down below in the description, so if you guys are interested in purchasing this, you guys can go ahead and do so. So pretty much the first thing I do is I grab the side of the hijab that has the little tag, and what I do is I just fold this edge just like that. So once I have it folded in, what I like to do is just flip it and place this on top of my head, and I like to leave like the entire hijab on one side, and on this side I just like to have about this much fabric. You don't want to have too long of a piece on this side because we're going to be taking this side and we're going to be wrapping it around. So the more fabric on this side, the better. So I would say just measure up to your collarbone, like my collarbone is right here. So this is the length that you want on this side. So just to secure this in place, I'm going to be grabbing the small safety pin and I'm going to be securing this in place, but instead of securing it from the top, because if you do it from the top, you might see like the safety pin sticking out, I like to just go ahead and from the inside and just pin it just like that. And that way it's hidden and it's just a little line, but you won't even see that because we're going to be covering it, but at least the shape of the safety pin is hidden underneath. So that's just kind of how I secure that part. So at this point you're going to see that the entire hijab is pretty much on one side, and you're going to see that the fold that you created in the beginning is still there. So following and holding on to that fold, what you want to do is pretty much bring this hijab forward, like just wrap it around your head and bring it on top. So making sure that the fold is still there, as you guys can see, you want to bring this right on top. And then you just want to keep playing with it until it's nice and aligned. And you're going to see there's going to be a lot of fabric just here. Don't worry about that. And then just adjust it to how you like. I like to have a little point, as you guys know and can tell from my videos. So I'm just gonna stand up and show you guys how the hijab is going to look. So you see that there's a lot of coverage in the front. There's like this nice piece here, and then also the remaining of the hijab just kind of drapes down like that. And I think that just looks super, super adorable. It's nice and modest, and that's kind of the style that I like. I like to have a lot of coverage in the front. So now we're gonna deal with this situation right here. So pretty much what I like to do is I like to grab this little piece and I like to just tighten this area up. So there is the fold, as you guys can see. The fold is always there. And I'm pretty much just going to tuck this corner in and then pull this part and just tighten this part of my face, just like the neck area, to make sure it's nice and covered. And because I'm wearing a turtleneck, it looks a little bit chunky probably, but it's not this chunky when you're just wearing like a regular shirt. I'm wearing a wool chunky turtleneck because I need to cover my neck somehow when showing you guys how to do this tutorial. So pretty much I scooped up the fabric and now I'm just holding it up here, and to secure this in place I like to go in with a big safety pin. And the reason for that is because I used to use like smaller safety pins, and I've ruined so many hijabs doing that. A big one just ensures that your hijab won't rip or pull or anything weird like that. It's just honestly a safety thing for me because I've ruined hijabs and I'm just trying to save this hijab. So I'm just gonna go ahead in with this big guy and just pin and secure the hijab right there. And then you can see that all that extra fabric kind of just gets hidden under there. And then you've got the neck area nice and covered. Again, just ignore the turtleneck that is under there. And you guys can see my hijab style is starting to come together. This is what I always wear. This is my favorite style. And sometimes if you feel like there's still too much of a gap here, like right now, there's too much of a gap. If I wasn't wearing the turtleneck, you would see my neck, and I'm not comfortable with that. Just go back in and adjust this area. So I'm just gonna take that off, and I just need to tighten it a bit more. So again, just pull the fabric and adjust it to how you would like, and then just pin it in place. That's a bit better, and then just adjust the point if you like that. All right, you guys, so you can see the hijab style is starting to come together. So the very last thing I do just to keep my hijab from slipping and sliding and moving around is I like to go in with the 2 straight pins and just pin both sides of my hijab so that it's just secure and it doesn't move. So I'm just gonna grab the straight pins, and the reason why I said the color doesn't matter is because what I like to do is grab the hijab. I like to grab the side, and make sure you also grab the cap because you want to secure the hijab onto the cap, and then take your straight pin and pin from the inside. And that way you don't see the color and you don't see the pin, it just looks nice and clean. So once I kind of pin those on, I will just adjust the hijab and make sure it's how I want it to look. So just fix the point, fix the neck area. Okay, you guys, so that is pretty much my signature hijab style using the Haute Hijab bamboo woven hijabs. So this is pretty much how I like to style my hijabs. So I'll give you guys a full overview of how the style looks. So to start, I'm just gonna stand up so you guys can see how it looks in the front. So there is fabric kind of on the side here, and then you can see the fabric nicely drapes in the front as well and gives you that nice full coverage if that's kind of something that you like. And as you guys can see, there's nice volume. I love volume in this area of my hijab, so that is why this is my favorite style. I love wearing my hijab like this. And in terms of the back, you will see that that's pretty much what it looks like. It's nice and smooth and covered. So yeah, that is the hijab style, you guys, and this is how it looks from the side. I love spinning on my chair. So that is a full 360 of this hijab style. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this hijab style, and let me know if you guys want me to do more hijab tutorials. If I'm completely honest with you guys, this is my go-to like every single day hijab style. I've been wearing this hijab style for years and I absolutely love this style. I feel like it really suits me and suits my face, so this is just kind of my go-to. But if you guys want, I can show you guys some other styles with these hijabs. I can definitely play around and kind of create new styles for you guys. So if that's something you would like to see, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I will do that. And of course, if you guys want to check out the haul that I did on these hijabs, I will have that video again linked up here and also down below in the description for you guys to check out. So you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!